Hey folks, I'm Matt, head honcho of production at Yellowpop. Ever wondered how we light up your world one neon at a time? Well, we're pulling back the curtain right here in Dallas with our brand new US factory. Check this out. Recognize this glowing banana? It's from our Andy Warhol collection, and no surprise, one of our best sellers. We're peeling back the layers, taking you through each step to transform a legendary fruit idea into neon art. Ready to dive into some neon magic with me? All right, folks, it's carving time. I'm just kidding. We use precision tools to cut the acrylic, crafting our iconic banana shape. Slice of art, right? Think we print with a giant stamp? Nope, we precision print our banana, prepping it perfectly for assembly. Print-tastic, right? Yee-haw! Ever wonder where the neon magic happens? Well, it's right here. These aren't just some tubes. They're the stars of the show, the certiLED. Not only are they fully certified, but they're the best quality neon on the market. Isn't that right, Mr. Tube? Oh, he agrees. UL, ROHS, Prop 65. Sounds like alphabet soup, right? But these are the golden tickets our products earn to light up your homes legally and safely. Not all that glows meets American standards. With Yellowpop, you're getting style and certified safety. Ever met a neon guru? Well, we've got over 20 right here, handcrafting magic every day. Hey, Guru Mike, think you could turn this into a banana?
Yes.
See? Real-life neon wizards handcrafting the brightest spells in town. Tick-tock, tick-tock. Every sign here gets a 48-hour neon marathon to make sure they're home ready. Once our signs pass the neon marathon, they get a first-class ticket in our fully branded boxes. And guess what? Everything you need to plug, mount, and show off your sign is right inside. And the cherry on top, these rad stickers. Who knew I could be so stylish? Ready to light up the world? But first, a touch of pride. And off it goes. Whether you're across the street or around the globe, we've got you covered, fast and free. With Yellowpop, the world is just a neon glow away.